IELTS writing graphs. Best way to approach academic IELTS writing graphs, tips and strategies. In this video, we will provide you with some tips and tricks to help you effectively analyze graphs and charts in the IELTS exam. Let's discuss the topics that are important. 1. Understand the task requirements. To approach academic IELTS writing graphs, it is essential to understand the task requirements fully. Ensure that you read the instructions carefully and identify the type of graph presented. 2. Analyze the data effectively. Analyzing the data accurately is the key to success in IELTS Writing Task 1 Academic. Take time to examine the graph, identify the main trends and patterns, and organize your thoughts before you start writing. 3. Organize your essay. Organizing your essay is essential to ensure that your ideas are conveyed coherently. A clear structure with an introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion will help you communicate your thoughts effectively, making it easier for the examiner to understand your work. 4. Use appropriate vocabulary and sentence structures. Using appropriate vocabulary and sentence structures is crucial to accurately describe the data in the graph. Avoid using informal language or colloquial expressions and instead use formal language to convey your ideas clearly. 5. Practice regularly. Regular practice will help you familiarize yourself with the types of graphs you may encounter in the IELTS exam and develop your writing skills. Okay, now let's check out some frequently asked questions. 1. What is the most common graph in IELTS Writing Task 1? In IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, bar and am, line graphs are frequently used and are generally straightforward to interpret. 2. How to write IELTS Task 1 graph? To optimize your IELTS writing score, ensure to present all significant trends in one overview paragraph instead of dividing them into different paragraphs. 3. How can I attempt writing Task 1 in IELTS Academic? To excel in IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, provide a clear introduction, summarize the key features with figures, and support your description with relevant data. 4. How can I get 8 band in IELTS Writing Task 1? To succeed in IELTS writing, understand the task structure and band descriptors, use strong vocabulary and grammar, develop organized ideas, manage time effectively, and write in formal language. 5. What are the 3 main graphs? Bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs are 3 common types of graphs used to show different types of data. Here is how to master the skill of writing graphs for IELTS. Familiarize yourself with the different types of graphs. Work on your language skills, organize your ideas, use time wisely, get feedback on your writing, and practice regularly. Good luck!